Today we're making Robin's award-winning rum pound cake. I just wanted to let you know that we only use fresh ingredients in our cakes. Okay, the ingredients are 2 cups of King Arthur unbleached all-purpose flour. That is the best flour to make your cakes with. Then we're using granulated sugar, 1 box of vanilla pudding, baking powder, salt, a stick of real butter, vegetable oil, canola oil, half a cup of milk, half a cup of striped pigs. Spiced rum is the best rum to make your rum cakes with. And then we have vanilla and 4 eggs. So we'll get started. Very easy. You're gonna put your flour in. Measure it, make sure it's level. 2 cups of we're going to use 1.5 cups of regular granulated sugar. So this is 1/2 cup, so I'm doing 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to add the vanilla pudding. Make sure it's full vanilla pudding, not the sugar-free. The sugar-free won't work in here. Then you need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I use the pink Himalayan salt. Any salt will do. 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which is just 1 stick of regular butter. Make sure it's softened. And 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Now you're going to mix this until it looks like sand on the beach. So you get all the ingredients incorporated and it starts looking like sand on the beach. It looks sandy. Then you're going to add your milk. Then you're going to add your eggs 1 at a time. I like to crack my eggs into a separate container in case you have shells. Once your eggs are incorporated and it's all smooth batter, this is 1/2 cup of rum. So you won't get drunk with this cake. The rum actually cooks out of it. You're left with the spicy flavor of the rum without the actual alcohol. So being so stir the rum. And 2 teaspoons of your vanilla. Spritz it Make sure you get the cone in the middle. And then you're going to pour this in, bake it at 325 for 50 to 60 minutes. Use your probe to make sure it's done. I check at 50. It just depends on your oven. Let's see, that's mixed very well. Then I like to swirl it around to make sure the batter is even in the pan. And then you pop it in the oven. The turkey lifter makes perfect holes for your rum cake. This is the rum sauce, which is made with butter, sugar, rum extract, and again, your spiced rum from the striped pig. This is the syrup that you put on the rum cake to make it the rum cake. You have to pour a little bit at a time, give it time to soak in. And then you're going to wrap the cake with saran wrap. Just put a saran wrap over it and let it sit overnight. They said 8 hours. Okay, so after letting the cake soak for 8 hours, you're able to flip it out. The reason for the 8 hours is to allow the syrup to soak into the cake thoroughly without dripping out. And voila, there you have it. Robin's famous award-winning rum cake.